Before we move on, let's first discuss what simple random sampling with replacement and simple random sampling without replacement are. First, simple random sampling with replacement, or simply SRSWR, is a type of random mechanization wherein all elements in the sample need not to be distinct. Thus, an element selected is replaced by an identical element. The next, simple random sampling without replacement, or SRSWOR, is a type of random mechanization wherein all elements in the sample need to be distinct. The next two problems are special cases. The first is conducted under simple random sampling with replacement, and the next is under simple random sampling without replacement. Also, the next two examples illustrate a special case wherein at least one element in the sample is defective or possesses a particular characteristic. Our first example is: suppose all 12 teachers in an elementary school, of which 8 are female and 4 are men, are to fill certain board of regent posts. If 3 are to be randomly selected, how many ordered samples with replacement will contain exactly 2 women? As stated, some of the elements are defective or possesses certain characteristics. For example, in the question, we require exactly 2 women to fill the posts of the regent. So, for a clear view, let us write down 3 bars. If the first member was selected and happens to be a man, then we write down 4 since there are 4 possible choices. When the second and third members were selected, we have 8 each. 8 since we are using simple random sampling with replacement, and since we require that there are exactly 2 women. Thus, there are 256 ways of selecting 2 women and a man to fill the board of regent posts under simple random sampling with replacement. Also, you can notice that if we happen to select a woman first, we'll write down 8 on the first bar. And if for the second, we also have 8, we'll again write down 8 since there are 8 women. And for the last, of course, we need a man, so we write 4. Since we have the same multipliers, we will have the same result.